In this video, we will show you 3 ways to install extensions for your profile, as well as the pros and cons and use cases for how to optimize. First, the user can install the extension in the default extension section. Install the extension here. New profiles will be automatically added to the extension. This does not apply to previously created profiles. You can install the extension in 2 ways. The first is to search directly on the store. The second is to load the installation folder directly on the computer. In addition, we can install the extension in the shared extension. The extensions installed in this section will reduce the amount of space for the profile rather than installing it in other ways. However, the extension will pop up every time you open your profile. You can install the extension in 2 ways. The first is to search directly on the store. The second is to load the installation folder directly on the computer. Finally, you can install the extension directly by selecting the profile. Then click the extension and install it on the profile. Choose the most appropriate way to use it. If you find the video helpful, like and subscribe to this channel.